Well, I am taking a spin on something called cookie today, and I'll get my butter. Bruh, come on. I'm gonna try and melt the butter so that we can make some cookies. I forgot to bring any cookies, so I decided to make mine. Sounds like a plan. And I'm using all the butter. It has taken us a while for sure, because this was here for a while. I finally scooped it all out. I hope this is enough for what I'm gonna use it for. I hope so. I've been betting on making them chocolate cookie, because we have some chocolate, and I probably will make them chocolate cookies. I like the chocolate color, and there happens to be a chocolate here. I'll try that. I have my flour here, and I got egg and some milk, and it's going down pretty much. This is me breaking this chocolate. I'll find a knife to do it. Here we go. Got a piece here of chocolate. I'll try and melt it with my butter. That's too hot. This was a good bar of goodness. I think we ate half of it now. We did. We can turn this off and see if it can melt. Now, that's what they call the melting point. We got there. So it's pretty brown. I believe it will do. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, and then I'll put in a little milk. I should probably cool it with milk. Mind you, I've never made cookies. So let's go. There we go. That's chilled a little. So with that, I will put it in this flour so we can make real cookies. But Papa, it is kind of molten, and something I forgot. I'll look now we got our egg. I'll put egg in here with Papa. I'll put, these are beautiful eggs today. Ooh, those are good eggs. My favorite eggs. I put milk in here, so you're almost there. I can't find my sugar because I didn't bring it, but I have chocolate in this thing and a lot of butter. I believe those will do me good because I'm not a sugarholic. However, I'll do it without it today until further notice. I'll put this chocolate in here. We have chocolate, and we have egg, and we have, I put a little bit of baking powder instead of soda, but it will do today. I am good at improvising. Tell me about it. I'll add my chocolate. The chocolate is mixed with butter. So let's see how it goes. It's gonna be a lot of goodness in the chocolate. I love my chocolate. You know what I do. Remember, we're making cookies. Cookies by Sue. Sounds legit. This was inspired by a cookie I had on my way home. They were from a place. They were really good cookies. I never eat cookies, but those cookies made me want to try it. I still feel the sweetness in my mouth. They were really tiny little goodness of cookie. What is your favorite flavor of cookie? Well, look at that. I made the cookie dough and we're gonna try them. We are trying these cookies. This is preheated at 400. Let's try the cookie making. Baba. Let's see what's up. This turned out like Mickey Mouse heads. I think they need to be there longer. What do you think? Now, we're out with the cookie. It is an interesting shape for sure. Okay, I'll turn this off and I'll see what's up. Maybe we let it cool down and then figure out what it is. This is how they turned out the cookie. Pretty interesting style, but it tastes really good.